Hi everyone, my name is John Bernier and I work in the Emerging Platforms group here at Best Buy's corporate headquarters, and I also lead our 12th Force initiative, Customer Service via Twitter. Today I want to talk to you about the evolution of 12th Force, which is BBY Feed. I'm calling it 12th Force 2.0, and let me tell you a little bit about it. Feed is an experiment. It's another experiment. It's an engagement platform that we are building that aims to help you by way of connecting to information and each other, be better at what you do every day. I think when you explore the site and some of its functionality, you'll discover that for yourself. We've got three primary objectives with Feed. First, as I mentioned, is to connect employees to each other. Some of the elements that you'll see interjected into Feed over time include the ability to connect you to others or groups of people that are talking about or sharing information around a topic that you're interested in. The second objective is to connect you to our customers. Our customers are asking for us to engage in many different places. 12th Force is an example of us engaging on a platform like Twitter, but we know customers want to get a hold of us in new places and spaces, like perhaps through our iPhone or Android app. Perhaps they'd like to ask us a question on Facebook or text us a question. We envision in the future Feed being able to draw in questions coming from multiple places to allow us to answer back to those locations or the question origins seamlessly. So you see what I mean by engagement platform. The third thing is to connect our employees and our customers to knowledge or data. Every day we share knowledge, we share data in the form of emails, phone calls, one-to-one interactions in the store, or even via Twitter. What we want to do is save those conversations. We want to save the data that we're creating so that it's searchable in the future. For example, if you're looking for content related to an iPhone, what you might find by searching Feed is content very relevant to the question you're looking to solve. I envision in the future us answering questions from customers without actually having to field them. Customers will come with a question, they'll be able to search by topic, they'll be able to find content that's relevant to the problem or question they're trying to solve. And it works much the same way for employees. As we navigate the waters of Best Buy, there's a ton of different places where we can find information. And many times we in the search of that information, go talk to our peers or go look up something online. The hope is that the content that's most relevant to employees bubbles up in the form of search results here on Feed. One of the things that I hope you come away with after poking around this site and exploring this is that what we're trying to do here is enable our human network of employees. It's a pretty powerful thought to think about the fact that we could and should connect our 180,000 employees better than we have today. We have employees around the globe who are fielding questions and offering insights around technology, which remains largely geographically agnostic. So we're having the same problems in one area of the world as we are in another. The best way we can hurdle issues is to break down barriers to communication, and Feed aims to try and do that. We want to connect you, the employee in Canada, to you, the employee in Europe, and circle back and review that information that you're sharing with the employees in the States here. So we have high aims with Feed, and I hope that in poking around this site you'll take the next step, which is to sign up or register. Poke around the site, look at the types of questions that are coming in, explore the ability to connect with your peer groups, and just engage. This site is meant to be viewed in both the web environment and the mobile environment. Whatever device you may be viewing this on right now, it should be scaling appropriately, and we're doing that on purpose so that it's future-proof. But if you do notice something that needs to be fixed, please liberally use the feedback tab. We'd love to hear it, because as much as we think we have a handle on what the next best and greatest upgrade should be, if we've got an overwhelming demand from the crowd that we make X improvement or Y improvement, we will certainly take that into consideration. Thanks for taking a couple minutes here to listen to Feed. If you have any questions for me, you can either tweet me on Twitter @BernierJohn, or you can shoot me an email at john.bernier@bestbuy.com. Thanks everyone, and good luck.